Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna tell you how to delete your Snapchat group. So simply open the Snapchat. So here when you open the Snapchat, first of all we will create account. Like simply you need to create account, go to chat option. So here you can click on this right type corner. So here when this tab is open, you can click on new group. So here you can type the random group name. You can also add the members here. So you can add the members here. So Snapchat does not allow you to delete a group when you have already added so many members. So when everybody leave the group, Snapchat deleted the group. So now here you can see there are many options. So click on the leave group. So in this way you can delete a Snapchat group.